Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Something really special. This video is going to change the way you are working. So, what we are going to do is use AI to create dashboards. I have taken one sample, but you can take unlimited sample and this is up to you where you are using this use case. Very simple. We'll go to the data sample dataset I have taken for a UTI mutual fund company or AMC asset management company, whatever you think. Okay, simple date, client name, folio number, AMC. It is HDFC or SBI or ICICI, whatever. Scheme name, category, transaction type, and amount, SIP amount, and whether it is success or rejected. So this data is also generated from ChatGPT. Okay. So what you can do is now this type of data, I have taken a small data so that we can analyze. Normally you will have your clients huge data where you are taking huge time to create the dashboards. But with AI, this is a less than 2 minutes work and beautiful things will come up. Once again, I will say that you can use this as per your own requirement and this is literally going to change the way you are doing the workings. Okay, so this is the file. Now what we'll do, I will simply new and text document. Okay, there may be some other ways to run it. This is the simple way I found and very easy. Okay, so now we'll go to ChatGPT. I am using Gemini 3. I told earlier also, earlier I was using Grok, but after Gemini 3, I found really amazing. You can see so many prompts are there and everything is there. Okay, I will hide them. Don't worry. So what I have done is simply uploaded, since this is a sample data set. If you are having your client data set, you can give the column names only. You don't need to give the data. You can just simply write that these are the column names in the file. So ChatGPT or any GPT will analyze what is the type of content in those columns and it will produce the results accordingly. So any video, I try that we don't give our sensitive data to the AI. Okay, this is purely sample data, and if you are having the client's data, you can just give the column names that I am having this column, and now you prepare accordingly. So very simple. You can see 2-line prompt. This is a sample data set. I want you to write HTML code. Okay, earlier we were doing a lot of things in Python. You can also write Python Streamlit code here. I have done HTML. Okay, same thing. That takes input of such Excel files. So what I have told, that I have one Excel file and you have to write the HTML code that takes input of such Excel file, and that can create various dashboards for easy analysis, for data analysis, for easy analysis. You just have to create me dashboards so that I don't have to keep scrolling long huge data like this. Okay, here it is very hard to, you can create pivot table, dashboard, all these things, but we will see very easy way. Okay, so what I've told, that you give me HTML code that takes input from the Excel file and that can create various dashboard for easy analysis. It should be very detailed one having multiple charts. I have not told anything, ye chart, wo chart, this, that, nothing. I told that you decide the charts. We are getting lazy day by day. Yes. So give me a proper HTML code. Okay. So what it has done, here is a complete single file HTML code. You can save the code as this. It uses sheet.js, whatever it has run, file upload, except CSV, XLS, XLSX. Okay. KPI card are there. Interactive charts are there. Data grid is there. Okay. Very good. HTML code is there. I'll just copy and just for once we will see. Yes, it is huge lines of code. Oh my God. Don't worry. Okay. Literally. So what we'll do is simple text document and I will open it and paste it. Whatever I have copied, I have pasted it, cut, save. And now that maybe I will write it dashboard. All these things that .txt in Python we changed to .py. Here we will change to .html. Once again, I'm saying you can use Streamlit also, but HTML is more convenient, easy. Now what I have to do is simply double click and run. This will be a website like filling hosted on your local host. Okay. So click to upload dataset, as we told that we want to take the input of a file. So this is our sample dataset and open. Literally 2 to 3 clicks and you can see I've got the total investment, some KPI cards as it told. Unique clients are 6. AMC exposure axis as the highest. It is also showing amounts and everything. Category allocation is there, equity, everything is such beautifully coming. Investment timeline on the basis of date and this transaction types, redemption, all these are the data here, transaction type and everything you can see. Okay. Also, I will give the sample data set in the link in the description, but that you can do it for a lot of things. You can just do the things that you can export your day book and tell that give me this is the detailed transaction. Now here what you can do, search and everything is already there. Suppose I want large cap, so you can see now all large cap have come. Okay. Similarly, if I write maybe HDFC, you can see multi search. I don't have to give column name anything. This, if I write rejected, then we can see that rejected, there was one rejected only. Okay. One of one filtered from total entries. So you can see such easy way of making dashboards within seconds. And if your data changes, this will be changed. Suppose if I am adding some more data, then what I have to do is simply once again upload the file. Okay. So now maybe this is little less. So what I did is further enhance. Very simple. The HTML works great. This is amazing, but I want some more charts and more visual, like complete A to Z analysis. Okay. Also generate me a section where I can already have 10 FAQ generated, which is the highest, which is the lowest, all these things. The dataset in which one best performing, etc., etc. So what it does, again, it has given HTML code. Normally what I am doing is making a copy. Okay. So that one backup stays, because when we are doing vibe coding, sometimes what happens that it is distorting the code. The code become useless. So previous version you must save. This is my way. Dashboard maybe 2. Okay. And now what we will do, simply open it in text file. Open with, and then there is notepad. Okay. Just this. Once again we will copy and paste. Okay. Save. Now simply what we will do is, right now you will see this is some different style. Okay, don't worry. Sample data set, yes. And now you see some different styles have come up and deep dive charts are there. Beautiful. Literally, I will say that it is very beautiful. And as we told that we want some insights automatically. Which scheme has highest investment? It is telling Axis Liquid Fund. Biggest investor, it is saying Sneha Gupta, Fund House, HDFC, and so on. You can see beautiful. This way, I tried a lot in this. Okay, it's highly interactive. Some more functionality, because we want more and more. Dil mange more. So what you can do is just keep adding and customize it with absolutely free. I hope you are going to use this, and that's it about this video. That's all, friends. So don't forget to like this video if you have learned something from it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video with some more amazing tips and tricks.